Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me homeopathic remedy Arnica montana. The common name is leopard's bane and it is a part 1 general overview which spans less than 7 minutes for quick revision. The text is taken from Allen's keynote and supplemented from Borick, Clark, and K.N. Mathur. This is best suited to the BHMS students, interns, and UPSC aspirants. The remedy profile. You find that this is a polycrest remedy and best suited to acute as well as chronic rheumatic and septic conditions. The kingdom it belongs to is plant kingdom and the family is Compositae. Habitat. This plant grows in mountains of northern hemisphere. The preparation. The whole plant is used in the preparation of mother tincture. The remedy was proved by none other than Dr. Hahnemann himself. The historical aspect is the Arnica montana has been used as a herbal medicine for centuries, and traditional use of this plant is for analgesic and anti-inflammatory purposes. The clinical trial of Arnica has yielded mixed results. The organ tissue affinity of this remedy is it acts on cardiovascular system, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, blood, musculoskeletal system, and connective tissue. The lateral affinity is this is a left-sided remedy, and thermal affinity is it is a warm remedy. So constitutional components, somatic predilectation is the best suited to plethoric subjects who have very red face and lively expression. Psychic preponderance is the temperament, having nervous temperament and with low pain threshold. Any small anxiety can exaggerate the trivial symptoms. The mind, will, and emotional components include the patient is sullen, morose, do not speak a word, do not want to be talked to, fearful. Fear remains at night after an accident. The causation is, we'll go for diathesis first. You will find that this remedy is best for traumatic, hemorrhagic, and septic affections. The exciting cause which goes in favor of acute diseases is ailments from effects of old mechanical injuries, trauma which can be mental, physical, recent or remote, and exposure to cold. The characteristics of this remedy include soreness is a very important keynote. Sore, lame, bruised feeling all over as a bitten. And hardness. Everything on which he lies seems to be too hard, similar to what we find in Baptisia, Bryannia, and Pyrogen. The head is hot and body is cold. The upper part of the body is hot and lower part of the body is cold. Delirium says there is nothing the matter with him, and in a stupor, when spoken to, answers correctly, but unconsciousness and delirium at once returns. The great fear of being touched is there, and tendency for furunculosis is marked. Apoplexy, if takes place, you will find left-sided paralysis is often seen. The relationship, it is complementary to aconite, hypericum, and rustox. It is similar to, especially for soreness, as a bruised feeling is there for Baptisia, China, Phytolacca, Pyrogen, rustox, ruta, and Staphylococcus. Arnica follows well after aconite, apis, hemamelis, ipecac, and valeriana. Arnica is followed by sulfuric acid. In ailments from spiritual liquors or from charcoal vapors, arnica is often indicated. In a spinal concussion, please compare with hypericum. The general modalities include aggravation is by at rest, when lying, and after taking wine. The amelioration is from contact and movement. The miasmatic orientation of this remedy is, let us see certain markers. Nervousness is a pointer to psoric miasm. Delirium in acute febrile state is a pointer to acute miasm, which belongs to flare of psora. Rheumatic gouty complaints point to psychotic miasm. The mechanical cause of hemorrhages is non-miasmatic in nature. Our impression about arnica is a predominantly psychotic remedy. The posology, doses, recent affections, please use low dilutions. Remote affections, high dilutions are recommended. Repetition is to be repeated in recent injuries till a favorable response is noticed. For injuries long ago, single dose in higher potency is recommended. In apoplexy, use lower dilutions and repeat for some time or some days. Duration of action is 2 to 3 weeks according to Lutz and 30 days according to Clark. The clinical application of this remedy is for mechanical injuries from blunt instruments, compound fractures. In case of compound fractures, secondary infection, concussion, lacerations of soft tissue, typhoid delirium, which includes stupor and unconsciousness, meningitis after traumatic injuries, apoplexy with left-sided paralysis, conjunctival and retinal hemorrhages, gout and rheumatism, recent folliculitis or recurrent folliculitis, constipation due to enlarged prostate or retroverted uterus, urinary retention, incontinence after labor, and postpartum hemorrhage is a very important conditions. Thank you so much for patient listening.